the guy that does not give a crap about that lady is going to smash her for doing nothing. Because, yo, what's up my guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be telling you 4 reasons why women love guys that are not interested in them. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and let's jump into it. Number 1, the perceived value of the guy. Women will perceive guys that are not interested in them as higher value than them. Well, this is automatic because if he's not interested in you, that means he has other better bitches than you. He can do better. Automatically she thinks, if he can do better, that means he's a catch. And I want him because he's a catch. Because he doesn't want me, now I want him. He's not like all these other guys who are giving me all the attention, all the validation that I want. I want the guy that, other women perceive as high value. I want to go for the guy that is high value. That is the mentality of women. If you show women that you are the queen, you are an angel, you can't do no wrong, you give her all your attention, all your time, you will finish in the shower alone. And the guy who is an asshole, who is always focused on himself, the guy that does not give a crap about that lady, is going to smash her for doing nothing. Because women are attracted to higher value guys that they perceive as higher value than them. Guys, get that into your head. The less you give attention to a woman, the more she is interested. Guys, it's that simple. Number 2, guys, curiosity. Women are like cats. They have to uncover everything, every single thing. They have to know every single room, every single thing about the guys they are dealing with. And when you don't give women the attention or the time, when you are not interested in women, they become curious. They want to know, what is it about this guy? Why is he acting like I don't exist? What? Am I not good enough? Women can't stand the thought of not being good enough. They want to be wanted. Women survive on attention and validation. And when you don't give them attention and validation, oh my God, they will go above and beyond to get your time and attention. That is how they are attracted to guys that seem disinterested in them. They just want the validation. They want to know that I can have you. Women are entitled. Women want to feel like all men want them. Women, that is how they are. I don't know, that is how they are wired. They want all men to want them. Even if they don't want you, you must want them. So when you are different, you don't like her, you act disinterested, she goes, whoa, hold up. This guy, what is going on? I must have you. And she begins to chase you. That is how women chase men. It's either you are doing the pursuing, you are either giving her all the time and the attention, or she's doing it to you. She's chasing you. She's going above and beyond just to be with you. Number 3, guys, ties to number 2. Their ego. Women feel like all men should want them, just to boost their ego, just to feel confident. Their confidence correlates with the number of men that want them. So if you are that guy that does not seem interested in her. You are crushing her ego. And guys, if her ego is crushed by you, she becomes attracted to you because now she will respect you. She thinks that, now that is a man that I want. You turn her on when you are that guy who is crushing her ego. You are putting her at her place. You know, you are being a man, she's being a woman. She will be automatically attracted to you because now she has to work to get you. Her ego is put aside. Now she has to put in the work just to get your attention and validation. Guys, in this game, there is an action and reaction, and you better put yourself in the position where people react to you. Women react to you. They react to your actions. Because if you don't, you are the one who is going to pursue women and you will fail. You will get the disappointment. You will be cheated on. So guys, when you just have to focus on yourself, and you know, the women will start to pursue you. It's that simple, guys. There's no magic formula. There's no magic trick. You just have to focus on yourself. Last but not the least, number 4, the challenge. Guys, women love a man who is a challenge because men out here are cheap. Men are cheap. A man will give up the whole world just to get some pussy. Yes, just to get some coochie. I'm telling you, a man will be, you know, operating, saving a life, and then gets a text, hey, I'm alone, come. To hell with you, he's going to get some pussy. But when you come with standards, when you are, you know, I don't want you, I'm not interested in you. She's like, now, I want you now. You are someone I can pursue because you are not thirsty. You are communicating abundance. And that is very attractive. Women want guys that are wanted by other women. So there's no way you will start pursuing women when women pursue you. Automatically, when you act disinterested, you are telling the woman that, yo, I have enough women in my life, so I don't have to deal with you. And now she's like, yes, I want to be part of those women. I want you to be mine. I want you. Guys, it's that simple. So put in the work. Remember, less is more. Less is more. When you are with a woman and you feel like doing extra, no, don't do extra. Do the bare minimum. Focus on yourself. And everything will align. I'm telling you, it's that simple, guys. Hope you got something from today's video. See you in the next video. Peace out.